I'm Lene. Welcome to my channel, Fashionably 50-something and beyond. What I have for you today is just a little DIY. I'm making these for my home. I have this bead garland here from Dollar Tree, and I have this egg garland here from Dollar Tree as well. And what I'm going to do is pull the jute out of here. So now that I have that all untangled, I'm going to show you what I have here. I have bows from Temu, as well as these little furry bunnies. These are also from Temu, and I'm just going to do a little quick, easy DIY with these. Let's see. We'll match up our colors. White there, pink there. I think we'll do lavender here, or maybe we'll do white there. The white looks good. Yeah, maybe we'll do lavender on one and white on the other. And I really like these yellow eggs. They're so cute. And that lavender will look really cute on there. I don't know how many lavender bows I have, but we'll see. And we'll do pink on here. Pink will look nice. And that one, I'm going to definitely do lavender. So I think this is going to kind of perk these up a little bit, and then we can check out the finished products. So let's start gluing our bunnies onto our eggs. We probably don't need too much glue. I tend to use too much glue. Okay, there we go. And we will continue on with our bunnies. And I'm just going to place these sporadically around my house. I really like that yellow egg. That is my favorite. And I just decided to do this a spur of the moment. That's why I am not using my camera holder, my bracket. Oh, get this one yet. Now we'll start with the bows, and looks like we have a good number of, so we'll put this color there, and we'll use pink, which will be super cute. Oh good, I seem to have a lot of the blue bows, so that'll work good. Pink there. Oh, here's a teal bow, very pretty. And then, let's see what else we have in here. Oh, I'm gonna put pink on here. That'll look cute. And I'll put pink on here. Okay, everybody, let's glue our bows. And it'll kind of dress up this bead garland. Here. I really like this teal colored bow. Okay everyone, I'm gonna finish these up and then I'm gonna show you the finished product. And here we are everyone. I just simply glued bows onto these round signs from Dollar Tree. And then this is the garland from Dollar Tree with the Temu bunnies and the Temu bows. Here is the bead garland from Dollar Tree. And I think it looks really cute with this addition. And then we have another sign with a bow. And this one. So I will be placing these around my home and you will see them in my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for joining me today, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye.